Am I visible? Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, I can see you clearly. So, good evening.
Yeah. Good evening. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm okay. How about you? How was your day?
Yeah. Super. Fantastic.
Mhm.
So we are meeting very first time, so it's a very essential to know about yourself. So could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Pinky and I hail from Punjab. As far as my education concerned, um, I have done my master's in Hindi literature and I am a homemaker and simultaneously I'm part-time working as a beautician and along with them running a YouTube channel which is like about to English where I upload English conversation videos. So that's all about me.
Thank you. Nice to hear. So shall I introduce myself? Would you like to know something about us?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
As you know, my name is Satisfaction. I am from UP district Lakhimpur by profession. I am English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my hobbies, I have so many hobbies like singing song, listening to music,
Mm-hmm.
teaching to the boys, playing cricket,
Mm-hmm.
learning
Mm-hmm.
new things as well. Furthermore, when we talk about my family, there are 20 members in my family.
20.
That's all.
Okay.
That's all little bit about us.
Okay. Are you living in joint family?
Yeah, I'm living in a joint family.
Okay. You have a huge family like a South Indian.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, ma'am, how
Okay.
long have you been? Since when
Learning
you have
this
started your
language.
YouTube? Yeah. Since when you
YouTube
have
channel.
started your YouTube? Yes.
Yes, I have started my. It's been 2 months. Yeah, I have completed 2 months, like on first June, July.
So very nice because it is good for your speaking skill as well.
Hmm.
So do you every day upload video?
Not every day, alternative day, because I used to upload every day, but it is consuming time task, right? So I don't have that much time, and
When you have ma'am
sometimes
time at a time you yeah sometimes you upload
sometimes
when you have time because you are homemaker. I mean to say.
yeah, and you can say sometimes we don't get people for record session, right? So that's why I thought, okay, I will go to I am going to upload now now onwards every alternative day. So I upload
Yeah.
alternative days videos
Yeah,
only.
yeah, ma'am. So do you have
So
any
do you?
question you can ask? Yeah.
Yeah. So do you upload every day?
Yeah. I upload every day English conversation, English content as a teacher when I teach to the students in the class, and that class is very important for others as well. So soon I record class and uploaded the video on my YouTube channel. It's help a lot for beginner as well as advanced learner.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. You. It seems you are standing somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
So where are you exactly? Like on terrace or in ground floor?
So could you repeat your words again? Sometimes you speak very
I,
slowly.
I was saying, I was saying, are you like, are you on terrace, in terrace or in ground floor?
Yeah, yeah. I'm not on terrace. I'm in my office right now, and it is a
Oh.
very high office.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So do you sing daily?
Yes, sometimes when I have time, I sing song, and sometimes I beat the drum, and sometimes I do different types of activity with different people.
Mhm. So there is some application are available uh, on Play Store. We can record our singing as well. Have you ever tried it?
Yes, I have, but it's my passion to sing. I don't want to record any types of song because like this I practice. Like this I improve my speaking skill as well as singing competition. And I wanted to beat the all types of singing competition. So that's why I train myself every day when I have time. And before having this session, I was singing with my friends, and my friends are very helpful for me.
Oh, you were saying
Participated
like
in the,
you okay, you have participated in singing competition.
yes. When you alone you can't practice, and second partner is very badly needed in speaking. So in the case of singing, second partner is very essential. Otherwise, you will feel something challenge.
Hmm. Okay. So do you preparing any song for your competition?
Yeah, right now I have prepared art of competition song
Oh, okay. So which kind of song do you like for singing?
like
Old.
latest song and old song as well, like Muhammad Rafiq, Al Aziz, and Alka Yagni, Kumar Sanu, and like this.
I don't remember much singer's name, but yeah, I love 19 song. 19 song.
Yeah, 90s. Yeah, 90s song I'm very fond of.
Hmm. Okay. I'm also fond of singing. I like when I started my since I have started my journey towards English, I quit it. You can say I don't practice.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Okay.
man. So how many subscribers have you got since you when you started your YouTube journey?
Not much, not much. I don't know why people are very curious to know what someone's a subscriber. I don't have much, 31 only, because I had some
Yeah, yeah,
issues with my YouTube channel earlier, and after that I
yeah.
rectified it, and now it's okay. Yeah, because
Yes,
I'm not
man.
doing any special. Because I'm according to me, I'm not putting my 100% there. I'm just you can say I'm just doing it formality. You can say I'm doing it formality. I'm just trying to maintain their consistency. Okay, so I'm just uploading it.
Yes.
I'm not putting my hard efforts on it.
Yeah.
But I am planning to do something extra, but not now. Is someone there?
Yes, my friend, disturbing me, but they are making fun. So it is his habit. Sometimes they disturb me because they are very funny. They behave me, but I
Okay.
am happy with my friends because they are very helpful in kitchen also. In the absence of uh, any person who
Mhm.
cooks the food in the kitchen, they cook the food for me. So I am thankful for them.
Okay, are you talking about your friends? Are they around you?
Yeah, I mentioned sometimes before I mentioned that my friend, although they disturb me, bother me, but I am very happy with them because they help me in cooking food.
And they love you a lot. You can say.
Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes I hate them very much. Sometimes I beat them. Sometimes I play with them, and sometimes I everything do with them. But it is
Yeah.
the
It is
funny way to behave
it
with them.
yeah, you can say it is a beautiful sign of your
Friendship.
yeah, friendship. Even I am doing the same.
Yeah, it's a very
At
good
the
for me because we are all have men caused our childhood age and we are growing day by day. Now uh, we need to think our childhood memories as well. When you will be child long ago, you also used to the activity which I repeated.
time. Okay.
So
So
regarding English, do you have any question, ma'am? You please ask me anything. Which are you
I
facing? Which
don't
are the
I
problem?
don't have I don't have any questions, sir. I don't nothing is
Yeah, but
coming
I
in
have a
my mind
question.
because
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
I
you
have a
can
question.
ask me.
Can I ask? Yeah, can I ask you?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, how do you practice when you don't have any partner?
Saying I'm listening. Nowadays I have started listening more than 1 year, 1 hour, and as well as I have incorporated one habit, which is reading. I have started reading as well. So yeah, you can say reading and listening and speaking. Three things I'm doing it. I have been consistent. towards the three type of practice in English. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's all.
It's nice for you because if you follow reading, writing, listening, speaking, it's very important for a beginner as well as advanced learner. So you will have to follow this rule very strictly.
Yeah,
Most of the people
and you
sometimes they practice, sometimes they don't practice, and
no, I
so
am
when we
practicing
continue
daily
practice,
I'm practicing on daily basis, and I consider, okay, if you are going to do something, anything, just try to do with your full of heart. So I am doing it. Three things with my full of heart.
we want to get success in our life, so we should have a patience because success doesn't
Mhm.
come just of thinking. It takes time, it takes effort, and soon everybody can't get success.
Mm. Mm.
And most of the cases I have seen that many YouTubers, I have also connected with them. I have also taken my session with them, and after having session with them, I come to know that you are a human beings. You are not any rocket science. So if you want to grow ahead, if you want to do anything in your life, you will have to be patient. Otherwise, you will lose your control.
Mm. You will lost your interest.
Yes, yes. And why I have mentioned this? Because as I mentioned that I have been teaching English since 2010 and 14 years has been passed as a teacher. So I have seen lot of up downs in my life as well as others too. And most of the students when I teach to the student, I have also seen the condition, same condition. And most of the student mentioned that I am negative in my target, in my mission. So I always give them beautiful suggestion that it is the way of thinking. If you think about anything in a positive way,
Mm.
you will get a result in a positive way.
Yeah,
Yeah. And if you think negative way, so everything will be happen in a negative way.
yeah.
So we should always be positive. Thinking
Mm.
that one day I will do this, and like this, I have passed several days, and finally, I decided myself that success doesn't come just of thinking. So, if you want to do anything else, take decision, stand, and start working.
Yeah.
If you will think, you will keep on thinking.
So do you upload the topic or a topic conversation
Yeah, I have also
or any
uploaded.
kind of activities?
Yeah. On my YouTube channel, you are talking that I have given some beautiful class that how you can strong your basic and how you can frame the sentence, how you can use multiple structure while speaking English. Like this, I have given multiple class, and apart from this, I have also taught to the beginners as well as students
Mm.
how you can go ahead, how you can boost your speaking English, and how can you overcome the fear of speaking, and how you can and every what why solution.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you can
So
ask
nice
me
to.
if you have. Okay, you are going to wind up.